Hey, what's up, everybody? It's P.O. I want to thank all you guys for getting into our Super Bowl Squares pot and helping out the girls. They appreciate it for sure. Uh, Obviously, everybody can't win. We would love it if everybody did. But thank you guys so much for helping. Here is the squares. It's a little bigger, but and I'll print out a sheet of this and post it on the website. But I want you guys to see what we're doing. The first drawing that we're going to do on randomizing numbers will go left to right. Second drawing will go up and down. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to random.org. It has to be a 4 or higher. We're going to roll the dice at lucky number 7. Number 0 through 9. We're going to randomize them 7 times, and then they'll go left to right across the top of the page to determine our first set of numbers. Then we'll do it again to determine the numbers that go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see right here it says 6 times. We're going to go 7 times. So one more time. There's our numbers. So we're going to come over here to our sheet. Do 2, 5, 9, 0, 4, 8, 7, 3, 6, and 1. That's what's going to go across the top. Now, this we're going to do up and down. The top across left to right will be the AFC team, which is the Pats. This one we're getting ready to do up and down will be the NFC team, which is the Eagles. So, we will start a new list with numbers 0 through 9. Then we will go over here, go back, roll this dice, has to be a 4 or higher, Big 10 this time. So we'll go over here, randomize this 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, we're going 10. So we've gone 9 times. You can see it right there. One more time. 8 on the top. We'll bring over our sheet again and go 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2, 9, 6, and 0. I don't think I can make it small enough so you guys can see it all. Let's do this. Oh, that was supposed to get smaller, not bigger. Shrink this down a little bit. Can shrink this over. Yeah, I don't know if I can get it small enough to fit. Oh, there you go. Small enough to fit. I'll take the gray off so it's a little easier to see. That'll give you guys your numbers. For example, I'll take my wife here in the middle. For you guys that have not done Super Bowl Squares Pop before, I don't think there's anybody in my room that hasn't. But Heather has 4 for the Patriots, left to right. She has 1 for the Eagles, which are up and down. Pretty good numbers for her. For example, if the second quarter ends with the Patriots 14 and the Eagles 21, the referees will immediately try to make sure Brady starts to win. No, I'm kidding. Patriots 14, Eagles 21, Heather would win $100. Okay? I will make a copy of this, print it out, take a picture, put it on the page so everybody can have it as well. Okay? Guys, thanks very much for getting in. We appreciate it, and I hope you win. Thank you.